Welcome to my house. So all the first floor framing is up and a lot of people have requested floor plan walkthrough kind of things, so that's what we're going to do today. Front of the house, we've got a double front door with lots of glass in it. There's two windows on either side and a little window on the end. Porch wraps around the whole way. And that over there would be the front of the garage, which has two windows in it as well. So moving around the side of the house, we've got the front porch wrapping, and then this is going to be the end of the house where the closets and the other bathroom would be. There's a window right in the middle of that wall, access to the crawl space, and then as you move around, we're coming up on the back porch here, and there will be some stairs going up the side of that. And so we're going to move around to the back side of the house next and show you how all that's going to work. Alright, so we've moved around from the side of the house up the back porch there. This will all be concrete porch with a roof over it. You've got a bedroom window there. There's going to be double French doors, two sets. And then the kitchen window would be kind of in that corner area. And I'm going to fall over because my mud shoes are heavy. There's another door going in to the side hallway area right at the end, centered on that back porch. Master bedroom window on that wall. And then the master bedroom actually is going to have two windows here. And then another window which is in the actual master bathroom. That's pretty much it for the back of the house right now. So we'll move around to the garage side. Puppy dog. I have a puppy dog in my video. Are we around the corner of the house? And then your husband to pull up the driveway. Alright, so we've moved around from the back side of the house now. And there is going to be a window here for the bathroom. A big picture window that goes over the tub, and then a window, it's one of the up high skinny ones, will be in the closet. We've got a two-car garage, which was a modification I made. It was a big single door. I wanted two doors so that the farm critters don't run in and out when just one car is moving. So that is the basic side of this house, and of course you go back around there and you're back at the front of the house. Alright, so we've just come in through the front door, which is a double door. This is the foyer area, which is open into the dining room with its two windows inside there, which is also open. All of this will be open into the living room area. And this guy right here gets covered up. It will be a wooden column. And then over here is the kitchen, which is pretty much all open as well. We'll get into the kitchen later. These are the two French doors that go out onto the back porch. And this wall over here is going to have a fireplace almost centered up to it with symmetrical built-in cabinets on either side. Stop short so that this nip over here can be for the Christmas tree, which my husband says is not what the house was designed around, but we can debate that. So I guess next we'll take you into the back hallway where the bedrooms and bathroom are. Okay, so this is a pocket door that goes in this way, and it takes you into the back bedroom hallway. This area in the middle of that was originally a built-in desk area. We've decided to go with just an extra deep closet instead, so that the storage and such is hidden. We can move this way into one of the bedrooms, which comes in at about 12.5 feet squared, give or take a little. We've got a double window here that looks out over the back field area and the back porch. and we're gonna have to do a lot of cutting at this point and restarting because all of the posts and such that are holding up the walls right now are kind of in our way. So we're gonna start climbing and we'll be right back. Okay, so this is the closet for the first room. It's a walk-in closet. It'll be sort of an L-shaped situation with the cabinetry and such. And then this doorway enters into the Jack and Jill bathroom. So we have a double vanity here, a sink on either side, and then there's this cabinet stack going on top in the center of that. This doorway goes into the toilet will be over here. There's a window, and then your standard tub shower combo will be over here. And this doorway goes into the other bedroom, and we're gonna cut again here so we can climb through it. So this is, if you've just come through the Jack and Jill bathroom, this is the other bedroom. It has 2 windows. The doorway over there takes you back out to the hall, and right next to the bathroom over here is this walk-in closet, which actually has a window in it, and it'll also get the L's for the shelving. So now I get to climb through more beams and get back into the main part of the house. Okay, so now we're back in the living room area. So this is going to be the kitchen, this whole space here. There's a big center island. Over on the left here is going to be cabinets. That is a big 6-foot window that will be over the sink, and the dishwasher type stuff is over there. Along this back wall we'll have the stove and more cabinets. This wall here is probably going to actually have to come out just a little bit more because I've decided to put the refrigerator here so it's convenient to the living room and dining room. And then a little bit of cabinets here. And this is our pantry, which is one of the things I'm most excited about because it's huge. I believe it's 5.5 by 13 feet. It's got a window in it. We're going to put some cabinets in here so that the microwave and toaster ovens and things like that, I don't want them cluttering up my countertops out in the main kitchen. So tons of storage in there. I'm really excited about it. We'll move from the kitchen area into the back hall. So this opening takes you straight into, this is the door to the garage, and dead ahead is the stairwell that will go up and into the bonus room above the garage. And from the garage, this space will actually be a really big closet in there. This, next to the stairs, another little hallway. This whole section here is going to be a big coat closet. And here, we've got a laundry room, washer, dryer, countertop, and then in this back area here, there's going to be another closet that we'll use for cleaning supplies, vacuum cleaners, stuff like that. Again, this house in the original plan, they had mud lockers instead of a coat closet, and this was like a countertop and cabinet space, and I just wanted to close it all off and have it a little more private. And also, fun fact, those mud lockers that don't look very expensive cost way more than a coat closet, so that was a decision that we made. So if we move around here, this is the door that goes out to the side of the back porch, and it is almost directly across from the powder room. So whenever we're outside hanging out, we can just pop in and use that. There'll be a toilet and just a pedestal sink in here. Nothing fancy going on. This is going to take us into the master bedroom, where I added this window. I love windows. There's 2 windows there that would be around the bed area, and then probably going to have to cut again so I can climb through this mess and take you into the master bathroom. Okay, so we've just climbed through all of the walls to get into the master bathroom. The doorway from the bedroom is right there. And on this side, we've got a vanity with a single sink that will wrap the countertop in an L shape along that. I added this window because, again, I love windows. And that looks out over the back course field, so it's really pretty. But that'll be a makeup vanity kind of area, so the natural light will also be really great. This is the water closet, toilet, window, that's it. Right dead center of the doorway is going to be a double slipper clawfoot tub with a big picture window behind that. And then mirroring the shape and size of the water closet area will be a big shower. We've got another vanity sink area on the other side of this, which again, going with that symmetry theme that we have going on, it'll be on either side of that door. And then probably just build in a linen closet into the rest of that corner. And that takes us into the last space in the house, which is my walk-in closet, which is really more of a dressing room. It's very large, and I'm super excited about it. We'll have a little laundry chute here that goes into the laundry room, and then layout in here will be TBD, but it goes all the way around, and that's our little window there for some more natural light in here. And that pretty much wraps this house. I think if you can see through here, it's probably the best way to get a good idea of the garage. The two windows at the front of the house are framed up so you can see them from in here. And that puts a wrap on it. So hope you enjoyed the home tour. Door into the master bathroom, into the master. Okay, so we've just climbed through all the walls right now. The doorway from the bedroom into the